In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or delete a signature in Outlook. Whether you're updating your contact information or simply wanting to remove an old signature, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Microsoft Outlook. If you're using a web-based version or the desktop application, the steps will remain largely similar. Open your preferred browser or your desktop app and navigate to Outlook. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Sign In button. Give that a click and input your email and password to sign into your account. It's important to use the email address associated with the Outlook account you want to modify. After signing in, focus your eyes back at the top right of the screen where you'll see the settings icon, often resembling a gear or cogwheel. By clicking this icon, you'll open a drop-down menu with many options, but for our purpose, look for and select Account. Now that you're in the account settings, navigate to Signatures. This section contains all the signatures currently associated with your Outlook account. If you're unsure where Signatures lives, it's usually under Mail, then Compose and Reply. To delete a signature, simply locate the signature you wish to remove. Click on it to highlight and then press the Delete button, typically located nearby. Outlook will prompt a confirmation, ensuring you want to permanently remove the signature. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the signature is deleted, cleaning up your account. If instead you want to edit an existing signature, select the desired signature and make your changes in the text area that appears. Here you can update information, change fonts, add images, or do whatever customization you deem necessary for your signature. Once you are satisfied with your edits, don't forget to save them. Keeping signatures current is a good habit, especially when your job title, phone number, or other personal details change. This ensures every email you send reflects your most accurate information, maintaining professionalism and clarity in your communications. And there you have it. Following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently edit or delete any outdated or unwanted signatures in Microsoft Outlook. We hope this guide was helpful and made the process clear and simple for you. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and have a great day using Outlook more effectively.